Good day, everyone.
Good day, sir.
So today we're going to overhaul the cylinder liner, and our objectives is to pull it out and check the piston, liners, and the shell bearings. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So before we dismantle the cylinder head and the cylinder liners, we need to prepare the tools needed. So based on the manual, we need 1718, 1920, and 2632 open-close wrench. And we also need special tools in pulling the cylinder liner and for the cylinder heads. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Gambito, you'll assign to get these tools that are mentioned.
Copy, sir.
Then Mr. Casas, you will assist Mr. Gambito.
Copy, sir.
Then Mr. Gayaw, you will go to the work area and clean it if necessary.
Yes,
Then
sir.
Prepare it also.
Got it, sir.
Mr. Coro, assist Mr. Gayaw.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
No more questions?
No more, sir.
Okay, so